Okay, so I am back with another video, finally. So, in this video today, this is another segment of Cray Cray to Slay. So, I did that first video, like, was that last year? It was a couple months ago. Yeah, it was a minute. And I had did a neutral look, or I was like looking basic and I wanted to slay. So I'm gonna have like different series on my YouTube channel. So this will be a part of the Cray Cray to Slay. Sometimes it might be makeup, sometimes it might be like DIYs or how to do it yourself. So yes, so that's what I'm doing today. And I'm doing the Cray Cray to Slay on these blow dryers, hair dryers. So these are the ones from like back in the day, like during my mom's time and stuff like that. You know, a lot of people have upgraded on hair dryers. They got the ones that you can pull down now. They got the ones you can put in your hand, all types of different stuff. But you know, ain't nothing wrong with using the old school ones, or, you know, stuff you used to use back in the day. Like, I still have, like, old school, like, Marcel irons and stuff like that. You see this plain old, like, beige looking, gross looking color? So I was like, nah, I said, it's the new year, New Year's coming up. So I said, I want to go ahead and change them. Like, change the color completely. How? I'm going to spray paint. So, I'm going to spray paint them. And so, cause I was like, you know what? I was cleaning up my beauty room and I saw them and I said, you know what? I am really tired of looking at these raggedy color. Like, I don't know me. I'm a sparkly girl. I love pink and purple and unicorns and colorful stuff. So I was like, this is not me. I just cannot have this looking basic or crazy. It's not representation of me. So I was like, you know what, I need to go ahead and change the color. So I went to Walmart today, shout out to Walmart, and I was like, you know what, I was gonna I did test it. I tested it so you can see it's gold, shiny gold. If you want to see the finished look, go ahead and continue watching, guys. Let's go ahead and get this started. I'm excited how this is gonna turn out. Cross his fingers. I pray that this turned out really well. But yeah, if you want to see the finished look, go ahead and continue watching. So I went ahead and got another gold, and that's how it looks. And I went ahead and got magenta, and that is like a dark pink. And so this one is satin, and this one is a shiny, reflective finish. So it's going to be shiny, and this one's going to be kind of satin. So we shall see how this goes. I got these for $3.96 or $3.94 at Walmart. And I got the mask because it gets potent and it kind of stinks. So I got the face mask at Dollar Tree for $1, y'all. 8 of them. For $1. And I got these from Dollar Tree, the simple old gloves, because I don't want them getting on my hands, staining. I got tape, both of the, and what, 6 of these? Yeah, 6, $1, Dollar Tree. An actual tape dispenser, Dollar Tree. And what else I got? I went ahead and got stencils. The reason why I'm getting stencils is because I'm going to try to attempt to put Puffy's Angels around the hairdryer because that's my brand. And so I got stencils, and y'all, look at this. This big package was $3.40. Let me see, hold on. I don't want to tell y'all the wrong thing. It was $3.49, $3.47. Y'all, look at this. It's 3 packets in there. 1, 2, and 3, right? And it comes with 28 stencils, only for $3. I was gonna buy this small little thing for $4, and I saw that, and I saw this big package. I was like, I said, that thing say $3 compared to this small little package. I said, oh baby, no. I said, let me go ahead. And then I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm gonna be honest. I did not know they had 3 in here. I didn't read when it said quantity 3. I just saw just how huge it was. That's what I wanted. I wanted like the real big stencil so it can wrap around the hairdryer. But when I pulled it and I was like 3, I said, oh yeah, I like this. So yes, y'all, make sure y'all shop at Walmart for any of y'all needs. Like, I love Walmart to death. Oh gosh, I love Walmart. And Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree is my second favorite store. Walmart will always be my #1 favorite store. Dollar Tree is the second. All right, so I went ahead and opened it because I'm gonna put it on my nose and whatever. Oh, okay. I never put. I'm used to the ones from the hospital because the hospital ones don't look like this. You gotta put it over your ears. I guess you gotta put this one over your head. So let me put it over my head. All right. Put it over my ears. Okay. Just covering up my nose and my mouth so it won't get in there. And cause man, when I tell you this paint can, can irritate you and get in your throat. You're gonna shake the cans real well. I'm gonna put my gloves on. And I'm wearing a shirt and stuff that I don't mind messing up. That's the best bet. If you're trying to paint or draw, marker, use some clothes that you're not planning on wearing in the future, or just let it be your painting clothes. Particularly, you just have your little artist clothes. That's what I call them. All right, so let's go ahead and get this started. Do not mind my doll heads in my background. I'm in the process of trying to clean up my beauty room, but that's not the subject. All right, so let's get this popping. We're gonna take the magenta. Whew, I'm nervous, y'all. Don't be nervous. All right, and we're gonna start. Did y'all see it? Oh, no. Let me put it, there you go. Okay. Okay, let me scoot it up so y'all can see. Okay. I didn't want to put it too close to me because it still can kind of go through the mask. So. Okay. And I went ahead and took some, what you call this? A trash bag and cut it open and put it under the hair dryers because I stay in an apartment and I didn't want the paint to get on the hardwood floor. And old printing, and I like this because it's covering up those marks real well. That's what I like about this paint. In the process of drying anyway. We're gonna go ahead and do the other one. No, it's not working. Let's try to go over this. completely dry. So let me show y'all this one. Satin finish. So it's not glossy shiny, but it gave it that little semi-shine. Pretty, right? And from cray cray to slay slay. Yes, you guys. So I do want to say that it is hair dryer approved. This paint, it bonds to plastic, wood, metal, plastic, and more. So don't be scared to try new stuff. I wouldn't. Let's see. From that boring old white beige to this pretty magenta pink. Ooh. Yep, and it only cost me $10 total for these. And what else did I get? Oh, and for the stencils, it cost me $10, $12. But I didn't use the stencils, but that's okay, because I'll use them for something else on a project, not like this, but on something else. But yeah, you guys, if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me what you guys think, and tell me how you guys, I'm sorry, pause. Let me take this off. If you guys like this video, comment down below how you think I did. And if you want to see more looks like these, just go ahead and comment and tell me, you know, oh, Puff, I want you to do this. Or I want to see you, you know, create this. You know, just give me a couple ideas. So I really like how this turned out. I like creative stuff. I like having fun. I like colorful stuff. So if you want to see more colorful stuff and glitter and glam and stuff like that, continue to subscribe to my channel. Watch out for my next uploads. They're definitely going to be fun. And thank you guys so much for watching. And angels, don't forget to subscribe and share and tell your friends so they can become angels too. And I want to start off, I started my slogan, but I want to continue with my slogan. My slogan is, don't forget, angels, that you are a gem. Gem, which means that you are basically beautiful. You're a diamond. You're a ruby. You could be a pearl. You know, you're glamorous, boo. You know, you're a gem. So you're important, basically. Don't forget that. You know, a lot of people are insecure and scared to step outside the box, and that's okay. That's why I'm here. I'm here to help you guys. I'm here to help you guys, you know, find yourself. And I love creativity, so I'm here to help you express your creativity. You know, this is a judge-free zone. You know, I've been judged my whole life, but you know, I'm still me. I'm still Puff. I'm still doing my colorful thing, you know. So don't forget, babies, you're a gem. You are beautiful. And I love you. Don't forget to love yourself. And I will see you, angels, in my next video. Bye.